Comedian Kunal Kamra is once again making headlines for his politically charged satire. In a freshly reposted video, Kamra takes aim at Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman with a parody of the popular Bollywood song Hawa Hawai. This comes amid an ongoing backlash over his previous jibe at Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, where he referred to him as a Gaddar or traitor. Kamra shared the video on social media on Wednesday, reviving his performance from a Mumbai show at the Habitat. The parody, set to the tune of Hawa Hawai from the 1987 film Mr. India, takes jabs at the government, highlighting issues like excessive taxation, poor infrastructure, and economic hardships faced by the middle class. Titled आपका टैक्स का पैसा हो रहा है हवा हवाई, your tax money is going to waste, the parody is laden with subtle digs at the BJP-led center over traffic woes and bridges collapsing. The song features altered lyrics such as ट्रैफिक बढ़ाने ये है आई, bridges गिराने ये है आई, कहते हैं इसको तानाशाही और dictatorship. The lyrics claim that while corporate entities get tax breaks, ordinary citizens bear the brunt of a flawed economic system. Kamra also references the government's handling of road development and bridge collapses, sarcastically calling it Tanashahi or dictatorship. The song even mentions the controversy over popcorn taxation under GST, which had earlier put Sitharaman in the spotlight. This latest release follows the storm surrounding Kamra's traitor remark about Eknath Shinde. The fallout saw Shiv Sena workers vandalizing the venue of his performance and burning his effigy in protest. The Mumbai police has now summoned Kamra for questioning at the Khar police station. His lawyer, however, has requested for more time. While the ruling Mahayuti alliance in Maharashtra has condemned Kamra's jokes, opposition leaders have come to his defense, calling it an attack on free speech. In the midst of this escalating row, Kamra has also released another parody song, a take on Hum Honge Kamyab, rebranded as Hum Honge Kangal, mocking the Shiv Sena's protests against him. As the controversy intensifies, Kamra remains defiant, using satire as his weapon of choice against those in power. With legal troubles mounting and political tempers flaring, this battle between comedy and governance is far from over. Will Kamra's satire continue to shake up the political landscape, or will the backlash lead to more restrictions on comedic expression? Stay tuned for more updates.